In this video, you can learn what features you should sell with HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to answer that question by answering the following three questions. Question number one, how to use the SaaS configurator. Number two, how to include/exclude features with each plan. And number three, why you would want to exclude certain features. So we're going to head out of here and over into my HighLevel account. And we're here inside of the SaaS configurator. Okay, so we're going to click on this blue button, add your plan. I'm going to call it your plan name. I'll give it a description, I'll just give it the same. Click next. Category, we'll just put it in default. Next, pricing details, we'll just change this to the default $97,997 for the annual plan. We're going to leave user limit, contact limit disabled. Now here's where you can normally select to turn off some of these features that are not locked without the lock button or lock icon. But right now you can't do that from here for some reason. It might be a bug, so we're going to click next. We're going to turn off the trial period. We're not going to add any credits. And then rebilling, right, we're going to just leave this all as defaulted for now. But you could change these features. You could disable like LC Premium triggers and actions, email resell settings you can disable. You can disable the phone system if you want. I like to have all these features enabled for sure across the board, but then I like to mark them up a little bit, right? Because the little bit of markup they have on them is so insignificant, it hardly pays to mark it up at all if you're only going to mark it up 1.05 times. I'd like to see at least a 2 times value in there. So we would change all that, but we're not going to do that for right now. I'm just showing you how to do this. So we click on finish, and then we're going to have our plan name, right? So I'm just going to search for it, your plan name right there. Then we're going to click on edit details. And then from here, if we click on features, now we should be able to disable anything without the lock key on it. A lock key should not be able to be disabled, but like say calendar should be as well, although I can't actually edit any of these for some reason right now. I think it's a bug, but that's how you could turn off any of these features. So you could turn off calendar, email marketing, opportunities, CRM, workflows, funnels, forms, campaigns, websites, blogs, SMS and email templates, membership surveys, trigger links, triggers, all reporting, social planner, invoice, affiliate manager, proposals and estimates, and communities if you wanted to, right? So you could set these features and turn them off per plan or turn them on per plan, and then set different plans inside of your SaaS configurator based on the features you want to have available under each plan. So this is a bug that I'm finding, but what I did discover is if I go back to one of the older plans I've created in here, like this very first one, if I click on edit details, I go to features, I can disable social planner or calendar or invoice or opportunities or email marketing or forms or CRM. So I can turn off all of these features if I wanted to. And then if you came into this plan, you would just have these basics: two-way text and email conversation, reputation management, missed call text back, GMB messaging, Facebook Messenger, text to pay, web chat, and GMB call tracking, if I had all these other ones deselected or unselected. So then we would just click save changes and it would update, and this plan would only have whatever features we have enabled instead of the ones that are disabled. So that's how it normally works. Again, there must be a bug with creating a brand new plan. However, I'm sure the developers at HighLevel will have this fixed before this video even gets published. All right, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any further questions regarding what features to sell inside of your HighLevel account. I like to sell everything, by the way. I like to have everything enabled and give everything to my customers and clients. However, if you want to, like I said, create different tiers of plans, then you could have certain features available only on certain plans in order to have a lower payment plan versus a higher payment plan. If you have any questions about this, let me know. Just leave me a comment below the video and I'll do my best to answer for you. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high-level. You will also receive a high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the 297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the 823.10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.